हाँ बिल्कुल आगे सीधे सीधे चले जाओ, बस पहुँचेगा, ये घाटी उतरोगे। अच्छी जगह है ना, बहुत बढ़िया। Good morning and welcome back to the channel. That is Sky and I, and this, my dear friends, is Sky right in front of you, and I am Derinder. So I'll be meeting up with Rishivia thoda sa aage, and to the place where we're going today is on Kolar Road. Coming from Chunabhatti, going towards Mayapura, Kajlikheda and onwards. So this place we are going to is a waterfall, really worth relishing.
Mayapura पेट्रोल पंप पे?
हाँ
ठीक है, 2 मिनट तो मैं आ रहा हूँ, है ना?
ठीक है। अरे आप भी आ गए, गजब। आप तो एकदम मियामी। हाँ अरे इनको भी बुला लो।
अंकित,
अरे तो स्मार्ट पे स्मार्ट होते जा रहे हो यार। यार आपकी अलग हो रही है, आप लद्दाख भी हो आए, हर जगह हो आए, हमको ले भी नहीं गए।
हमें तो 3 साल हो गए।
ये भैया की गाड़ी। He has been to Ladakh and up north. एकदम।
अरे यार ये क्या तो लग रही है?
हैं? अच्छी लग रही है।
हाँ यार पीछे का। चलो अभी तो निकल लड़े रन, अपन एक आध दिन चलते हैं, पेपर है यार एक।
अच्छा
10 बजे ही है।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू।
जय माता दी। ओ भाई चलो भैया, ओके आएगा, बोल रहा पहुंच जाएगा। अब मैं देखो बताएंगे उसका रास्ता। हाँ तो वी आर सपोज टू वेट फॉर विष्णु, बट उसको सिंस टाइम लग रहा है, विल गो अहेड मीट अरमान भैया।
हेलो।
हाँ तो है विष्णु। It's a fresh Sunday morning. The weather is absolutely perfect. The temperature has dropped down by at least 7 to 8 degrees. There is Rishi Bhaiya. Helmet लगा लिया, बहुत बढ़िया। He is Arman Bhaiya, a very old friend of mine, and Rishi Bhaiya you all know from my previous vlogs. Which reminds me, if you guys have not watched my previous vlogs, especially the last 2, like those are hitchhiking vlogs which I tried for the first time in my life and it went crazy. Go and have a look after watching this video. Please watch the whole video so that YouTube knows that my content is good and promotes it even further. I don't know, maybe there's an exam over here. This is Mother Teresa School. Best part about this place is it's just 13 kilometers from my house, that is on Kolar Road near Banishkund. That's the reason I'm in shorts right now, and so is Rishivya, and Arman Bhai is also taking his joggers, because we're not gonna go on highways, we're driving on village roads, city roads, and we're going really slow, though I'm wearing my helmet, which is very important, and my gloves. I really hope मेरी आवाज़ क्लियर आ रही हो, बिकॉज टुडे मैंने माइक सेटअप नहीं लगाया है GoPro पे। माइक सेटअप लगाने के लिए आई हैव टू लाइक टेक ऑफ द बैटरी कवर ऑफ द GoPro, which leaves it not waterproof. I thought it might rain and it might as well, but I didn't want my GoPro to be like out. It's not waterproof. Guys, this is Kajlikheda village, a beautiful village. It's like on top of a small hill, like we climbed up the hill and there's this village on top. Adding to the beauty is the Monsoon. A layer of dark clouds and then a shade of lighter clouds just under them, and then the mountains and the road meeting the horizon. Wow, just wow. So we have reached the place from where we have to turn right. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it is this one. So how do I tell you guys, it's you see that 4G tower, like it's just before that, and this is how trail of the waterfall is. Be very, very, very careful on bikes and even on cars. If you're coming on four-wheelers, be careful. On bikes, be careful. Ride very slow, like there's no hurry. Ride like we ride for pleasure. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, and there you go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is the view I've been craving for. मजा आया एकदम अभी तो और आना है. It's not even half an hour we started from home and we reached this place and it's so breezy out here, so breezy, so nice to be here. इनका नाम
सपनों की रानी.
सपनों की रानी. सपनों की रानी, ड्रीम युगा. So absolute justice with the name.
पर लीटर के 110 पर लीटर के हिसाब से ना सपनों की रानी
एक नंबर. ये तक में ओ भाई साहब पेट्रोल के रेट कम करवा दो कोई. चलो, our destination is behind that mountain. Hi, hello, bye. Oh God, कहाँ से निकले? सीधे ही. And this is the forest checkpost. Usually there's a guard. Whenever I've come previously, I found a guard, but there are no entry charges as such. You can freely go in. You can listen to the sound of the water gurgling. Wow. Like early morning you see such a thing, it feels so good, so refreshing. I don't even feel like moving from here. This is not even the waterfall. We have to still go much ahead and I'm sitting here but really relishing this. Look at the little stream right beside us. It's looking so nice, so soothing to the eyes. Still much easier than last time. Much easier than last time. ये वाला फॉलो करो ना, आगे वाला, ये भी वहीं जाएगा. लद्दाख के माउंटेन्स के ऊपर भी राइड करेंगे, बट फॉर नाउ दिस इज माय लद्दाख. Now we're going downhill on the other side of the mountain, but we are almost there after a couple of bumps more. Yes. So I park sky over here. There is water and our ride is successful. Wonderful. Parked sky over there. Took my helmet. Let's go down. Rishi is already relaxing over here. एकदम chill हो गए यहाँ आके. We were over there, came down here, and now I'm standing here on top of the waterfall. So tread down really carefully. So nice. So I'm gonna keep my helmet right here, remove my shoes. Shoes भी यहीं उतार दो.
शूज पहने तो दे दो, चोट लग सकती है. वैसे भीगना ही है शूज को.
ठीक है. Rishi is already inside and I'm taking off my bag and I'm gonna jump into I'm gonna jump in with my shoes, with my clothes on, because I have to put it on YouTube. Last time I came here, I was with the locals, so I saw them like they were swimming till here, so I know that's why I jumped. If you're going to any new place or any new water body, it is never advisable to jump into the water directly without knowing what you're gonna jump into. But I'm gonna make you jealous one more time. So we are out of the water, so refreshed, so energized. Wow, it has started drizzling a little. हम तो ऑलरेडी भीगे हुए हैं, कोई टेंशन की बात है ही नहीं। हाँ हाँ, भयंकर स्किड मार रही थी, इसका वीडियो भी है।
आई थिंक तुम्हें हवा कम करना चाहिए, ग्रिप में दे दिए गाड़ी।
अच्छा अच्छा, राइट, मैं भूल गया था, मेरे को लगा कि 7 बजे का। हाँ, सो वी लेफ्ट एट 8:10 from our places, and now it's 9:40, around 10 o'clock now, and we are heading back. Nothing much to do here now. Enjoyed, had a shower under a natural shower. हाँ बिल्कुल, आगे सीधे सीधे चले जाओ, बस पहुँचेगा, ये घाटी उतरोगे, बहुत बढ़िया। So on the way back we stopped by this small dam. So let's click some pictures. Sky and I signing off. See you in another vlog.
Like,
Share, subscribe.
subscribe.
बहुत बढ़िया, एक नंबर।